Hello, welcome you all to our channel Yuva Hit. Again, we are going to join with Kundan Singh Manson, Assistant Secretary, Public Liaison, Plurals. Sir, welcome you to channel, sir.
Welcome. Thank you so much.
Sir, can you please tell the mission and vision of this plural party who is coming for this upcoming election 2020?
Yeah, exactly. This is the 2020 elections in Bihar that has been announced by Election Commission, and we are here in the field with a vision, with a great vision that nobody has come like Plural's vision. So Plurals has a vision that I won't do casteism in elections. I won't do the caste basis politics, or I'll work for clean politics. Nobody is going in elections for clean politics, but we are working for clean politics in Bihar. This is the agenda, clear agenda, that your candidate should be educated, your candidate should be that should not be criminal, out of crime. Your candidate should be having great IQ, your candidate should be clean and fair, your candidate should be youth. This is the agenda that we are working on that, and we are working with Pushpam Priya Chaudhary ji that yes, will lead the Bihar in Plural's
Only
agenda.
IQ doesn't matter, experience matters.
Exactly, experience matters, and
Does she have experience
Yes.
of all this politics
Yes.
in Bihar?
It doesn't matter that if you have the politics, and even I don't have the experience in politics, but I can fight, I can win, I can make the policy. I'm 18 plus, I'm educated, I have the IQ, I can make the policy. If I go for elections and if I win in elections, I can make the policy.
She is announcing
She is
announcing for this Bihar election, Bihar Assembly election, all 243 seats. How many seats she is going to grab this time?
We have, देखो, public has to vote.
Yeah.
And you have gone
Yeah,
through.
public has to vote.
Yes.
How you are going to motivate the
yes,
voters
people
over
have
there?
to vote in Bihar, and we are coming with the agenda, and we are attracting the people. We are attracting the people of Bihar that yes, we are going to conquer in this state, because we have a great vision to reopen the industry of Bihar, to accelerate the growth of education in Bihar, to accelerate the growth of agriculture in Bihar. So many visions we are having, and so many we are preparing a Ghoshna Patra. But after discussion with the villagers, after discussion with the our party workers and everyone, that yes, we are working for Bihar. We are coming with a Ghoshna Patra. That is a great vision, and there is no overcommitment that yes, we'll do that, yes, we'll do that. No. Only simple things which can accelerate the growth of Bihar, we are adding those things in our Ghoshna Patra. See what Pushpam ji, when she arrived in Bihar, what she announced, that our caste, we will not do the caste basis politics. Our caste is our profession, our religion is Bihari, and our caste is our profession. So she is working on that. If you are a youth, you are a youth. You are not from any caste. You are youth, then youth. You are Bihari, then Bihari. So this is the caste is youth, and my caste is my profession, and my religion is Bihari. So this is the something different from other parties. We are not meaning to create gap. This means we are not going to create gap between people like yes, you are Dalit, you are forward, you are backward, and we are not going for that. We are going to short the difference between the religions and the caste which we are having earlier. What was going in Bihar, you know well. So we are there to just short the difference between the caste. That's why we have done that. In this Corona period, we have seen the migration. It was after our independence. We have saw that migration was at a very big level. The people from Chennai, from Delhi, from Mumbai, they are coming to Bihar. They don't have even shoes. So, if you see that time video, you will find that pregnant lady, old women, old men, they are coming from cycles, they are coming on foot. So this is what they have created in these 30 years, that they didn't give the employment to them. That's why they are out of Bihar. If you talk about the education system of Bihar, you will find that there is nothing in Bihar. When Bihar was studying, in puro whole world was that time the whole world was learning to just write and read, but Bihar was that time Bihar was reading or studying in Nalanda University.
Suppose Pushpam Priya Chaudhary ji won from here, she became CM. What she is going to do, what changes she is going to bring in education system?
She has a great vision to change the education system of Bihar. That so many, you will see the 100% candidates of that party is educated and have the good education system. And she is working. She is well educated. She is
Yeah.
from London School of Economics. You know very well. She is from Sussex. She has done public policy in masters in public policy and masters in public administration. So she is having the clear vision that I have to accelerate the growth of education in Bihar. What they have done in these 30 years, you will never know what they done, because they are not going to open in market that what I have done in 15 years and 15 years that I can accelerate the growth of education in Bihar. They didn't have the agenda that time. Even today they don't have the agenda to accelerate the growth of education. They are only known for scams.
Like I'm talking about here, people expect quality education, and after education a quality type job, employment. So increasing unemployment here in Bihar, how you are seeing that?
See what happens, there are 243 MLAs in this state and 40 MPs are there in this state. So nobody from this state in parliament never raised a question that why there is no any call center in Patna, why there is no any call center, why there is no any PSU, why there is no any processing unit in Bihar. So this is the big matter that they never discussed in parliament, that this system is we are lacking this system of call centers and PSUs and multinational offices. Why only the youths of Bihar, they are going to Delhi, Mumbai, Calcutta to just do a job in call center? So that call center should be opened in Patna, that PSU should be opened in Patna, that processing unit should be opened in Patna. This is the main reason why Bihar is unemployed.
Pushpam Priya Chaudhary ji is coming in election with agenda job. How she can promise to the people here in Bihar that they will provide job here in this place only?
She has done a planning to create jobs in Bihar, because she has a
Why
good
before?
idea. What she has done,
Yeah, why planning before only? Why not do and come? Yeah.
what happens, this is very clear that if you are in government, if you are in government and then you are not doing something, that is a debt on you. But if you are not in government, what you can do? You can't clear the license of factories, you can't make them tax free, you can't invite them to come to the state. You are not the government, you are not in government. So how you can invite those factories, how you can make them tax free, how you can give them the clearance? So many clearance are there, so many licenses are there to give them to just establish the industry here. So how you will, without having the government, how will you do that? So you can't do, if you have the government, if you are in power, so you can do that. You can give the clearance, you can give them the license, you can give them, you can make them tax free, you can invite them to come, and you can provide them the land to just establish the industry.
What about the women empowerment here? Like
Empowerment.
We used to roam all around the Bihar. I know about that. You know the condition of female there in the village. Can you talk about this? Can you say about this women empowerment?
Before plurals arrived in Bihar, nobody dared to give 50% seats in elections. You know very well, we have decided to give 50% seats. 120 seats should be reserved for the women. That is not the reservation. That is only our criteria to just make the women empowered. Okay. So Pushpam ji has come with a women empowerment vision that we will give 50% seats to them and will bring them to Vidhan Sabha, and she will make the policy. Earlier what happens in Bihar, it was known to crime against women, it was known to torture against women, it was known for illiteracy of women. Still we having the illiteracy of women. So we are known for illiteracy of women. So she has done that women should come out from their homes and they'll make the policy. If she sits in Vidhan Sabha, she can make the policy, and she can also she can mend everything in Vidhan Sabha. The crime against women will definitely that will decrease after coming women.
Can you please talk to our viewers here on the topic dowry system?
Yes, that is the evil. That is the evil of the society. Dowry is the evil of the society. But
how she is going to eliminate this?
If she comes in power, dowry is the ban. Dowry is already banned in Bihar. That needs regulation. Dowry is already banned in India. That needs regulation. So everything that is prohibited that needs the regulation, and that depends on the willpower, that depends on your government administrative power. So she'll definitely do that. Already dowry is banned in Bihar or already in India, so she'll regulate with the proper administrative system.
Thank you, Kundanji, for
Thank you
giving
so much.
this
Thank you.
special time to our
Thank you.
channel, Yuva Hit. Like and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.